Hello. Hello. Tried to do this video so many times. All I wanted to do was do a little explanation about why I call vintage typewriter. It turned into this, you know, 10-minute jobby. Hello. Yeah, so why vintage typewriter? Basically, I was trying to think of a name, so I was looking around my room for some inspiration, and I collect vintage typewriters, so I thought, why not vintage typewriter? Yeah, it's pretty basic explanation. I just kind of collect unwanted, unloved, disused rubbish. And I thought vintage typewriter sounded a lot better than crap you don't want. So yeah, that's basically why I'm called vintage typewriter. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. No more. It's a pretty basic explanation. It's not an explanation, it's an explanation. It's a pretty simple explanation. Probably won't even post this up. It's pants.